Hello, guys, welcome back to another detox cleanse using juices. I'll be sharing 3 easy detox juice recipes which are not only easy to prepare but also so beneficial for your body by helping you cleanse and remove all toxins, help you lose weight, eliminate any cravings that you may be experiencing of unhealthy foods, among so many other benefits. I create content like this around health and wellness in general, so join me on this road to 500 subscribers, just 50 more to go. That will automatically make you my sugar, spice, and everything nice. So I begin with washing my ingredients thoroughly in a mixture of water, baking soda, and some apple cider vinegar, which just ran out. I need to replace it. This is to get rid of all the germs, pesticides, and all, since I'll use the skin of some of my ingredients. It's great to keep hygiene practices top notch, especially when handling raw ingredients to avoid any sort of contamination. The first juice is a very popular one. I've made this one before with amazing benefits for your body, especially around this cold season. Kenya is very cold right now, so keep those sniffles away by drinking this. I give it to my family, especially around this time. It's also amazing for kids. My daughter had a very bad cough this week, and I made this. I gave it to her, and the cough was gone, literally. It's so great. So in your pot, place these dried petals of hibiscus flower, which is known for its high antioxidant content. Hibiscus helps reduce inflammation and support the immune system. It reduces high blood pressure and also helps to detox and to lose weight. I personally love it for the beautiful purple color. I also use it on our hair, such an amazing natural medicine. Next is cloves. These ones are amazing. They help improve digestion, they reduce bloating, they improve liver health, they are known to help protect you against cancer, they kill bacteria, help regulate your blood sugar, and promote bone health in general. Don't worry about the measurements, guys. I'll have them included and write them down in the description box below. Do check it out. Although this is one of those recipes that you can adjust according to your preference, so feel free to use less or more of everything. You can also add your own ingredients as well, whatever tickles your fancy. Do you? I also use sage, which is rich in vitamins and minerals. Sage tea is so good, especially for colds. Sage is used to treat sore mouth or throat, memory loss, diabetes, high cholesterol levels, and other conditions. Next, I used mint, which is in the same family as sage. You all know that mint adds that spark in anything. It has a soothing property that helps with digestion and to freshen your breath. Pair this with ginger, which contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The star of the show is pineapple peels. So if you still dispose of your peels from your pineapples, this will be the last day you do. I clean them thoroughly and put them in the fridge to make this. Pineapples contain bromelain, which is why you get that tingly feeling on your tongue after eating them. Pineapple peels are rich in essential nutrients, including calcium, potassium, vitamin C, carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and water, making it beneficial for the digestive system, weight management, and overall balanced nutrition. So to this mixture, I added about 1.5 of water and put my mixture to simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. And please ensure you use a big pot for this when you're boiling it to prevent it from pouring over. When it's ready, you can sieve it and store in the fridge. Feel free to add any sweetener of choice like honey. And guys, note that you can reuse this up to 3 times. Just add more water, although it will be less potent compared to the initial concoction. So to mine, I added some ice cubes, and you can see it's hot. You can have it hot, like I said earlier. You can have it hot or warm or cold, whichever you prefer, according to your preference, guys. This juice is taken all around the world. I love this kind of recipes which show our unity in diversity. Nigerians call this zobo drink. Ghanaians call it wanjo or sobolo. Senegalese refer to it as bisap. And in the Caribbean island, I think it's called sorrel. In the Arab countries, they drink it especially after Ramadan to break the fast. It's called karkade. I hope I'm not butchering the pronunciations. It's just amazing, guys. So next on our list is an amazing juice, especially as a detox for your liver and colon. It's a combination of melon, cucumbers, ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Watermelon and cucumber contain a variety of nutrients and antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. Additionally, watermelon, due to its rich red color, it contains lycopene and citrulline, which improve cardiovascular health and kidney function. It's especially great for reducing any inflammation you may be experiencing. The cucumbers, in turn, are really high in water content, helping you keep hydrated and to promote healthy skin. I used the English version of the cucumbers, which I love. They are more crunchy, but you can use the regular cucumber. Cucumber is cucumber for me, okay? As long as the spelling is the same. Yeah, so same what's up. Ginger and lemons support digestion and reduce inflammation as well. With that great punch that comes from lemons, you can't afford to skip them. You can use limes as well for this recipe if you prefer. I also added some water to help blend my ingredients and you can strain this if you wish. I didn't strain mine. I preferred to have it as it was because of the fiber. It has extra fiber. So if you can't stand the taste or the feeling of things in your mouth, I prefer it's better you just save it. Yeah. So I prefer mine this thick and with the fiber. It also saves me time and energy and less dishes to clean at the end of the day. The liver is happy, the hand, the my back is happy. It's a win-win. Last but not least is our golden drink, which is great if you're looking for that smooth, vibrant baby face and skin. Can I hear an amen? I used 3 tangerines for this one. They are in season right now here in Kenya. I bought them from my local market. You can also use oranges if you prefer. Works the same way to me with the same benefits. Tangerines are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, therefore supporting immune function and skin health. Carrots, on the other hand, are a good source of beta carotene, which is beneficial for eye health and skin glow. I also added some ginger and raw turmeric. These are good roots to include into your drinks or into your smoothies. They help cleanse your colon. They also add that nice punch. You can also use a teaspoon of turmeric powder if you don't have the turmeric root itself. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that give you that glow and promote overall well-being. Add some water and blend until smooth, then strain the juice and bottle it, or just put it in your fridge or enjoy it immediately. These juices are a great body detox, especially if you drink a glass first thing in the morning. They help you detox, cleanse, and lose weight. So guys, there goes our 3 detox juices. They are very amazing, especially for your health, to detox your body, to cleanse your body completely. Let me know which was your favorite by leaving me a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share these with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.